na tinatanong natin kanina. How will the Philippines play Yao Ming? We're double teaming Yao Ming. Every time he touches the ball, we go with a quick double team, so he's forced to look for the open man or make the quick pass.
Gong Xiaobin from afar, no dice. Big rebound. Danny, of course, starting off today in lieu of Durendes.
Yes, that's a good adjustment there by Coach Jong Yuchiko.
Carriazo tries to cut up the interior. Here's Menk. Menk over to the open Taulaba. He changed his mind at the last moment. He should have taken the shot.
Yes, he should have taken the shot. He was open and they left him open. Medyo ginusto pa niya siguro i-challenge pa si Yao Ming doon, ano? But you take what the defense gives you.
Correct. And we're tied at 4 apiece. Ildefonso and Taulaba are front line on the board early on.
We're playing good defense here. There's a quick double team.
Good handoff by Yao Ming, and they get it down the baseline. Yung help medyo late.
Yes, he turned his head. You know, once you turn your head, you lose your vision of your man. Then yun ang mangyayari.
And Liu Wei pushes China in front, 64, 6:40 to go.
You know,
yes, go ahead.
You know, Seb, a low scoring ball game is going to be good for us, ano?
Pabor sa Pilipinas yan.
Pabor sa Pilipinas.
And I think we're trying to play the game according to our pace. Tingnan mo si Coach Jong, ano? Si Coach Eric Altamirano at saka si Alan Kaidik din.
And this is good because they take their time. Huwag kang magmadali. Hindi kailangan dito.
Ball fake and all. Over to Asi. Now he will shoot. That won't work. Loose ball picked up by the Philippines.
Oh, we're getting those second and third shots.
Olsen's three-point heave will not work. Olsen has pride in the tournament. Confidence overflowing, and that loose ball picked up by Ildefonso. Here's Asi leading the bust out on a 3-on-2. Where will he go? Nowhere.
Oh.
He was hoping for somebody in the rear. Nobody there.
Well, he could have just stopped and pulled up, ano?
And Menk will give up the foul.
Ang problema doon, kasamang Seb, it was not supposed to be Asi making those decisions in transition. Ano? Dapat yung point guard natin ang may hawak at nagde-decide kung anong mangyayari.
In the meantime, Menk with his first foul. But here Menk must be thinking, are we related? Somebody must tell them, you know.
And it's Gong Xiaobin, ano, dito sa Chinese side, who's piling up the points. Ako, sabi ko kanina, yan ang isang concern ko pa, no, ito si Gong Xiaobin.
Actually, well, it's nice to be worried about Yao Ming, Batir, and all the rest of the guys, but these two guys, si Huey Dong at saka si Gong Xiaobin, yan ang mga gunner talaga eh.
Tama. And pagka dinobol mo yung